In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unfriend someone here on Roblox. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With all notifications on, it really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But first things first, if you want to unfriend someone, begin by either opening up the Roblox app, the Roblox website, or even the Roblox mobile app, and just make sure you're signed in. Now, if you're on the app, you're going to have to tap on More first and then select Connections. If you're on the website, simply go ahead and hit Connections over in this left-hand menu, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do is actually choose Connections again to view your current friends, and from here, you just need to find the friend that you want to remove. Simply go ahead and tap on their profile, just like so. And then you're going to see either a remove connection button right here, or just click on these three lines and then select remove connection from within here. Obviously, I don't have a remove connection thing because mine's out here because of a Chrome extension that I do have. But that's how you can actually unfriend someone here on Roblox. If you ever do want to refriend them, you are going to have to add them as a friend again, and then they're going to have to accept that friend request, so keep that in mind. But yeah, it really is as simple as this. I do hope this guide did help you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more Roblox content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.